Aloha, my friends. I just thought I would show you what happens when I make my smoothie in the morning and I take the celery out. For some reason, these guys can go from a total state of being asleep. There she is. To wanting some celery. I know it's celery, but I call it salmery because they're so cutie. Do you like some celery? And yes, I was holding the celery between my knees so that I can hold the phone to show you these cutie bears and how excited they get to have a little bite of crunchy celery every day. Yes, I'm cutting with my left hand. Good catch, Finn. That was not a good catch, Puka, but it was probably a terrible throw. Anyways, just wanted to share some love from Puka Dog and Finn Dog eating their daily dose of celery. Just the ends, the part you're probably not going to put in your smoothie anyways. Okay, Puka, catch. That was terrible. Normally she's a great catcher. And usually Finn's not the best catcher. Anyways, have a blessed day. Today is a good day to have a good day. Love you. Woof, woof.